So now we're going to do your QL muscle. This muscle is a quadrant that goes to your lower hip and upper rib and to your low back. This one gets tight and causes low back tightness. So we're going to work that out gently. We're going to scrape it, break up the knots and adhesions, and get deep in there. There it goes. I feel it. So like that's not right there. We're going to break it up, loosen it up for you. Even do the other side here for you as well. And again, 1 minute of this is a good 30-minute, 45-minute deep tissue